Hi guys, welcome back to another book review. Today we're here to talk about A Sky of Emerald Stars by A.K. Mulford. So as most of you might know, I did receive this, as you can see, as an ARC. And it is book 2 in the Golden Court series. If you have not read it, then go ahead and check out book 1. And go ahead, I don't want to give away spoilers, so if you have not read it, go ahead and check out book 1 and then come back and, you know, read that book and then come back and check this one out, because I don't want to give away spoilers to you. So check out book 1 and then come back and read this video, okay guys, because let's not give away spoilers. So this one, I have a lot to say about this one. Book 1, I liked book 1 a lot, but I'm going to be honest with you, I liked this book a lot more. I enjoyed the couple more in this book 1, and then book 1 I enjoyed, there was more stuff added in this one that I really enjoyed. Like, don't get me wrong, I liked book 1 a lot, but I liked the magic that was added into this one. I liked, there just was more stuff added into this one that really pulled me more. And I don't know why, but there was a heck of a lot more that pulled me in this one. And I just don't know why. I liked the couple. I liked the interactions between the couple. And maybe because there wasn't, like, in book 1, it was kind of like there was more of a buildup of an instant connection, and they kind of had a past. So it wasn't kind of that slower burn, and I know that I'm a sucker for a slower burn, and so maybe that's why. And this one, I kind of felt like it was more of a slower burn, even though that there was some stuff that went on in book 1 between the two characters. I really felt like they had a lot to overcome, even though the couple in book 1 had more stuff to overcome. I really felt like the couple in this book really had a lot they had to work through. I really felt there was so much that they just really had to go through in that one, and they had a lot of hurdles that they had to jump through. The ending kind of blew me away. I really see some crazy possibilities for book 3 in this series because of the ending. The ending is really great to me. Like I said, this one just really moved at a quick pace. Like I said, I enjoyed the couple more. I really enjoyed the additions of the magic in there. So this one I love this one overall. It just, to me, it took the cake. When I tell you I love book 2 more than book 1, that's a big deal, especially if I'm like, oh, I love book 1. And book 1 had been on my TBR. And so when I got approved for book 2 to read an ARC through Net Gallery, I was like dancing. I was like, yes, because I actually enjoy this author. I had actually read another series by this author. It's actually another series I really like. Anybody who knows me, I am a romantasy fan. So if you go back, you can actually find, it is actually, even before I did reviews, if you go back, like, which you probably don't want to do that, but you'd have to scroll way back. Before I even started doing reviews, I don't know if anybody knows this, I used to just do like these cute little, well, not like cute, but like these little basic little videos, just kind of as book recs with just like pictures of the book, and I would just do like little basic little types on it with some sound. And that other series was actually one that I did. So that tells you how much I actually enjoy this author. So I was really excited, like I said, when I got chosen for the ARC for this one, because this is a really good author. Moving from there, so the overview on this one is, so if you haven't read this author, give him a try. Just pick it up, give him a try. So, sorry, go from there. I tend to ramble. You guys gotta be patient with me. So, going from there, the overview on this one is going to be picking up where book 1 left off. I'm gonna straight up tell you, gonna pick up where book 1 left off. A lot of the characters in book 1, they're kind of all gonna scatter, because they're gonna look for help to kind of find allies for the upcoming war. We all know that there's a war coming. We all know that the Silver Wolves are not happy with the Golden Wolves. And so, I'm trying not to give spoilers away. I'm trying to do the best I can to give spoiler-frees in this book, for this book. So we know they're not happy. The Silver Wolves are not happy with the Golden Wolves and their court. We know they're very upset with them. And so they're kind of scattering around to find allies. So that's kind of what's going on. And this one focuses specifically on the characters on this one, and I'm kind of so excited. The characters that it focuses on. This one actually focuses on Sadie and Navin, so that's really great. Like I said, I really enjoyed them, and there's, like I said, there's just stuff that's going to be thrown at you that you are totally not going to be prepared for, that you're going to be like, whew. But anyway, so I don't want to give a whole lot away, but it really focuses on them, and they are going to end up journeying together, and they're, like I said, the lot's going to be thrown at them, and then to find some allies, and it's just gonna get crazy, and there's gonna be even more stuff that happens. I don't want to give stuff away, but anyways, great book, crazy stuff thrown at us, cliffhanger ending that's gonna just opens up even more possibilities for book 3. So if you are a huge fan of fantasy romance, and if you have read book 1, go ahead and pick up this one when it comes out. because you will not be disappointed. Because like I said, I love this one more than book one. So if you love this series and you love this author, if you were just a romantasy fan, check out this series because I love this one and I think you might too.